In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Obsidian Graph View. First, open your Vault. This is the starting point for working within Obsidian. When you open your Vault, you will see your collection of notes and documents. Your Vault serves as the central hub for all your information. This allows you to access all your files quickly and efficiently. By having everything organized in one place, you can navigate smoothly through your notes. It is essential to open the correct vault, as this will determine the notes you can visualize in the graph. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right vault before proceeding. Next, look at the left sidebar and locate the Graph View icon. This icon resembles a network of connected dots. It is a visual representation of how your notes relate to one another. Clicking this icon is crucial because it opens up a new perspective on your notes. You will begin to see connections that may not have been apparent before. The Graph View allows you to visualize relationships and themes across your notes. Understanding these connections can enhance your productivity and knowledge retention. If you don't see the Graph View icon, don't worry. Click the More Options button, which is indicated by 3 vertical dots in the left ribbon. This button is a gateway to additional features and settings within Obsidian. By clicking it, you can explore more options that might be hidden from view. This step is important as it ensures you have access to all the features available in the software. Once you open this menu, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options listed there. From the More Options menu, look for Open Graph View. This is the command that directs Obsidian to display your notes in graph form. Selecting this will bring up the graph view, allowing you to visualize the connections between your notes. This is a critical step because it transforms your text-based notes into a dynamic visual format. You will be able to see how your notes interact with each other, making it easier to identify themes and gaps in your knowledge. Once you click on this option, you should feel a sense of excitement as the graph view is about to open. Now the graph will open in a new tab. You will see a colorful network of dots and lines representing your notes and their connections. Each dot signifies a note, while the lines show how they are interlinked. This visual interface is not just aesthetically pleasing, it provides a strategic way to analyze your knowledge base. You might notice clusters of notes that relate to similar topics, helping you understand your overall structure better. This is where the real power of Obsidian lies. You can visually map out your thoughts and ideas, making it easier to navigate your knowledge. Once that is done, take a moment to explore the graph. You can zoom in and out to see broader or more detailed views of your notes. This allows you to customize your perspective based on what you are looking for. You may find this feature particularly helpful when brainstorming or organizing your ideas. The ability to visualize connections fosters creativity and insight. It makes sure you can effectively manage your information and enhances your overall workflow. In conclusion, you have now learned how to see Obsidian Graph View. By following these steps, you can unlock a powerful tool for visualizing your notes. Remember, this feature is designed to help you understand relationships within your knowledge base better. So take advantage of it and explore the connections between your notes. Happy exploring!